Go.
Hi, good evening. Let's talk about Debby, okay? She's now a tropical storm. Now let's talk about Florida. Let's start up here we know what this is. What's it called? What's it called, kids?
The Panhandle.
Thank you. And what's it called here? When it bends around this way, it's called a...
Big Bend.
Okay, we've got a sharp audience. So far, I'm thinking about what's going to happen when it moves up towards that. Right now, it's swirling in the Gulf of Mexico. There is a high pressure system up here swirling about, which is forcing the low pressure that's down here to get even lower and keep it calm. Okay, so it's calm down here. It's not a hurricane, it's a tropical storm. Okay. Are you following that so far? You people in Publix, please pay attention right now. Excuse me, I diverse and slip away from something. I digress. Back to the episode today in Publix, when everyone was rating everything. Water's all gone, meat's all gone, everything's gone. I'm in there 4 days a week. And I haven't seen anything like this since maybe Debby. Or maybe Ian. Which is worse, Debby or Ian? I'm weighing this in my head now, and these people are thinking the same thing. Oh, no, it's Ian again. No, it's Debby. Debby is just a calm tropical storm, 45, 50, 55, 60 mile an hour. What is it? The most, okay? You're not even going to get a 70 mile an hour gust out of the whole thing. Tree branch is going to fall there. Oh my God, the tree branch fell down. Oh, what am I going to do? So, stay calm, please. There's not a shopping cart left here. Everyone's in the store. There are large people, small people. Everyone's pushing stuff around, trying to get through everything. And there's three checkers. But we have these 5 checkouts over here, which are just terrific, folks, because they're standing too deep behind the 5 you do it yourself, bag it yourself, and you save what? What do you save? You don't save anything, okay? You didn't save any time, you didn't do anything. You can't check out 3 things of water. You can't put them down there and then try to put them in. It doesn't work. I'm telling you, now I'm having an issue here, right? So finally, I get through the checkout line, right? And I think, well, maybe I'll buy some lottery tickets, okay? So I zip over to the machine, and there's no line or anything at this point, but there are people lined up there trying to check out their goods that they have in the shopping cart at the, it's just the people behind there that they don't do this stuff.
Get back to the hurricane.
I had to flee. I had to flee.
Get back to the hurricane.
Oh, well, let's talk about Debby, though. So I'm outside in a raging sunshine, okay? It's 10 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, and the sun is just so bright, it's like, I can't take it. Where's Debby? What's going on? Why are these people doing this? Let me get to my car. So I get to my car, I get out, I drive the half a mile back to my house. It takes me another 15 minutes because every car in Florida is on the road.
I gotta check on my potatoes, so can you wrap it up?
You want me to wrap it up?
Yes.
So I get home.
And
I'm greeted by the smiling faces, of course, my lovely bride, Susan, and Aaron, who growls at me because I'm late for feeding him his 3rd meal of the day. And it's only 11 o'clock. So here I am.
bye.
I wish you folks a lot of luck in Debby.